Good day, I am from ABS support team. This video will showcase how to navigate the homepage setting page. First click Property, then click Homepage Setting. Here you can see all the homepages of your properties. You can view or edit the homepage by clicking on this Edit button. Once you are done editing, click on the Save button. A pop-up will appear saying Success. You can delete a homepage by clicking on the trash can icon here. You can also add a homepage to your property by clicking on this button. The title is the title of the homepage and the body is where you enter the descriptions of your hotel. Below that is the slide setup. You can add an intro and different text and images for each slide. Below that is the links to your other pages and the meta search engine setup. This is how browser search engines find your hotel. After you are done, click Save. Thank you.